When you think of the most invasive species in the world, fire ants are probably not one of them that comes to mind. However, these tiny creatures, now spreading globally, are one of the worst species for causing economic damage and risks to health. If you have a problem with fire ants, watch this short video and learn a simple and natural solution to help get rid of them. Fire ants are fascinating creatures, known mostly for their sting and not their complex social structures and communication methods. Fire ants rely on a sophisticated pheromone communication network to navigate, forage, and coordinate colony activities. Their survival and efficiency depend on this system, making it a prime target for dealing with infestations. Here's how the pheromone communication network works. Pheromones are chemical signals ants secrete to convey messages to other members of their colony. Unlike sound or visual cues, pheromones persist in the environment and can be reinforced by multiple ants. If you wonder how the pheromone network functions, you'll find the ants have antennas on their head. These antennas are highly sensitive to chemical signals, and the ants use them to detect the pheromones, then interpret the signal types such as food, nest defense, or other important colony information. As an example, when a worker ant follows a food trail and finds the source is still valid, it reinforces the trail with more pheromones, encouraging others to follow. If food runs out, the trail weakens and eventually disappears. This system allows colonies to quickly adapt to environmental changes and optimize their resource collection. So, can the pheromone network be used against the fire ants? Yes, because pheromone trails are chemical-based, they can be masked, broken down, or replaced with substances, such as vinegar, lemon juice, or scents. Doing so confuses fire ants, making it harder for them to communicate effectively to the rest of the colony. Understanding this unique communication network opens new avenues for pest management strategies such as the use of coffee grounds. Surprisingly, I found coffee grounds are very effective at controlling fire ant invasions. Instead of tossing in the trash, I use spent coffee grounds as my primary fire ant control method for my small acreage. If you battle with fire ants, give coffee grounds a try. The coffee grounds can be applied in a few different ways, such as dumping them directly onto the mound, or as I prefer, mixing with tap water to create a coffee ground slurry, then pouring them onto a target area. In closing, keep in mind that no matter the method you choose, fire ant control is not a one-and-done event, but a continual exercise. For existing colonies, it may take several coffee applications to get the fire ants to abandon their home. For preventative applications, because soil moisture content is higher along concrete surface edges, it's a common location for fire ants to make home. I recommend targeting these areas first. I hope you found this video useful, and until next time, from Savvy Savannah. Have a great day.